Have you ever wondered what's beyond the realm of reality or how far your imagination can go? Well, then you need to check out Yayoi Kusama's Infinity Mirrors exhibition at the High Museum of Art. Selling out in cities across the US, Infinity Mirrors makes its final stop of its tour in Atlanta. It allows us to experience the genius of Japanese artist Yayoi Kusama through more than 60 paintings, sculptures, and several iconic installations that allow us to experience, well, infinity. Each room has its own unique character, from Kusama's very first Infinity Mirror room, Vallis Field, to more recent installations like the Obliteration Room. This exhibition proves we are nothing but a blip in the infinite cosmos. 60 years of Kusama's brilliant work is showcased in this exhibition, representing themes like unity and isolation and the obsession of repetition. Now, advance tickets are sold out, but all is not lost. Each day before the museum opens, there will be 100 tickets available for sale. You can find out more information about that at high.org. This exhibition is a big one. If you have the chance to go, do it. And be sure to use the hashtag InfiniteKusama when you visit. And that's your Weekend Now.